my name is Liz Beechler. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, and today I'm going to show you how to make a crab and corn soup with coconut milk. First, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and heat it up nicely in the bottom of a stock pan. Then I'm going to start throwing in my vegetables. I have 1 cup diced onion, 1 cup diced celery. I'm going to stir it around till I get a nice golden color to it. Next, I'm going to add about 4 slices of chopped bacon. I like to use turkey bacon because it has a little less fat. And that'll help flavor the base of the soup. Saute that for about 3 to 5 minutes till the bacon gets a little bit crispy. Then I like to add my corn. I like to use about 4 ears of fresh corn. While that's sauteing, I add 4 cloves of chopped garlic. And I like to use about a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning to give it a little extra spice. If you don't like spice, you can just add salt and pepper to your taste. And you let that saute till it's nice and brown. Then I add about 3 cups of chicken stock. And then 1 14-ounce can of light coconut milk. I like to let that simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Then I add a pound of lump crab meat. I let it simmer for 30 to 45 minutes on medium heat. Let the flavors gather, let it reduce down to get a little bit of thickness. Then it's ready to serve. You have a crab, corn, and coconut milk soup. Enjoy.